Yes, generally, you can sue a truck driver. Like any other individual operating a vehicle, truck drivers have a responsibility to operate their vehicles safely and avoid causing harm to others. When a truck driver's negligence leads to an accident resulting in injury or property damage, the injured party typically has the right to pursue legal action. Here's a breakdown of the process in a way that's easy to grasp. The incident. It all starts with an accident involving a truck and another party, you, your vehicle, etc. Establishing negligence. To successfully sue a truck driver, you need to demonstrate that their actions or inactions were negligent and directly caused the accident and your resulting damages. Negligence can take many forms, such as speeding, drunk driving, distracted driving, e.g. texting, fatigue driving, violating hours of service regulations, improper lane changes, failure to maintain the vehicle. Gathering evidence. This is a crucial step. You'll need to collect evidence to support your claim of negligence and damages. This might include police reports, photos and videos of the accident scene and damage, witness statements, medical records and bills, lost wage documentation, repair estimates or invoices. Identifying the responsible parties. While you're suing the truck driver, it's important to understand that other parties might also be liable. This could include the trucking company that employs the driver, the owner of the truck, if different from the company, or even the manufacturer of a defective truck part. An attorney can help you identify all potentially liable parties. Filing a lawsuit. Once you have a solid case, you or your attorney will file a lawsuit in the appropriate court. This document outlines the details of the accident, the driver's alleged negligence, and the damages you've suffered. Discovery. This is the information-gathering phase of the lawsuit. Both sides will exchange information, including documents, and may conduct depositions, sworn testimony taken out of court. Negotiation or trial. Often, lawsuits are settled through negotiation before going to trial. If a settlement can't be reached, the case will proceed to trial, where a judge or jury will decide the outcome. A tip for viewers. Document everything meticulously at the scene of an accident. If you're able, take photos and videos, get contact information from the truck driver and any witnesses, and note down details about the truck and the trucking company. A STOT number is particularly helpful. This initial documentation can be invaluable when pursuing a claim.